When I was young, I loved building with toys like Lego or those wooden train sets. I feel like they've directly contributed towards my enthusiasm for design and construction as an adult, and taught me some basic mechanics as well. Now, with my knowledge of computer-aided design and 3D printing, I want to give my younger brothers, Eli and Joe, some toys that help them learn about how basic machines work, and hopefully inspire them to build some things themselves. Now, I can't go and see my brothers at the moment because I live a long way away and COVID-19 has scuppered any chance of flying home, so the next best thing is to design some 3D printable toys that can be replicated back home. I love aircraft, as is probably obvious from all the things hanging up on my wall, so I chose to make the toys a helicopter and a swing-wing jet. The mechanism in the helicopter will teach about how gears work, and the rack and pinion mechanism in the jet will demonstrate how you can turn linear motion into rotation. I designed these models in Fusion 360 and printed them out on my Ender 3 V2. The first two you're seeing now are 100% scale. They came out very well, but a little larger than I'd anticipated. I tried to make sure they were extremely child-friendly, in terms of lacking any sharp edges, and I actually really liked the rounded, softer look I ended up with. This is the Eli Copter. It's for my brother Eli, hence the name, and if you spin one of the rotor blades, the other one will spin in the opposite direction. This visually demonstrates to the builder just what the gears inside are doing. This is the Joe jet. It's for my brother Joe, and it's a simple little jet with a swing wing mechanism that's only 3 moving parts. It's a little easier to construct than the Eli Copter, and together I think they look pretty good. I tried to make them as durable as possible in order to withstand the rigours of being played with. Now, although I designed these for my brothers, I think they'd make good toys for any young aspiring engineers, so I've put the STL files for them up on my Thingiverse page. I'll also be making a detailed build video covering both of these models, so if you'd like to see that, check the description, I'll leave a link there. I'm very happy with how these turned out, so much so in fact that I've already started work on a follow-up. If you have any ideas for other educational toys that could be printed, leave a comment and let me know. And if you'd like to see more prints, consider subscribing, because I have other projects in the pipeline and I will probably make videos about them too. Goodbye for now.